In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the engine auxiliary water pump on this Volkswagen Tiguan. This is going to be located underneath the vehicle in front of the engine. Let's get into it. Using a 7mm socket, take these screws out. On the sides, it's just clipped in right here. You just want to try to pull this out. Pull it off the front. Do the same on the other side. It just pulls out. I'm going to remove these screws. There's a T25 socket. Take that out. On the sides, there's one there, one there, one there. Should be one there. Right there and right there. I'm just going to use a trim tool. You can see where it's clipped in here and on the other side. And just slide it right back. You can see the connector right here. There's a little tab on the top. Just push down on the tab. Try to unhook the connector. All right, if it's a little tight, we're going to use a pick or a screwdriver. Release the clip and then pull the connector off. There we go. Slide that off. Just going to use a bungee cord to hold this hose out of the way. We can see this a little better. We're going to have a drain bucket underneath. There's no drain for the coolant on the radiator, so some of the coolant's going to come out when you take these hoses off. I'm just using some hose clamp pliers. Move the hose clamp over and using a pick, just go around the hose. Let's see. You want to make sure you do this when the vehicle is cold. You don't want the hot coolant. We'll just let that drain out. All right, now that's drained out. Just pop the hose off. Just use the hose clamp pliers again. And move the hose clamp up. And use the pick. There we go. Pop that hose up. I'm going to take this bolt out. I'm going to use a 5mm hex socket. Take that bolt out. There's the pump. I'm going to take the new pump. Get to slide the pipe on the hose. We'll put the clamp down in a minute. Then get the pump in the bracket. You're going to slide it underneath the little clip. And then get the bolt started. Snug that down. And move the clamp. Place. Take the other hose, slide that over, move this clamp, take the connector, line it up, plug it in. Now I'll take this. I'm going to slide the bracket, so one's going to come down, this is going to go up, this is down, this is up, this is down, up. Get that slid in place. That's good. Now I'll put the screws in. Get those started. Should be another one right there on the other side. And one more in the middle, and we'll snug those down. Now I take this shield, get this lined up. And just push it on. You can use a rubber mallet if you need to. Push the sides in place. That's good. Now put these screws in and snug them down. And you want to add the proper coolant. Take the cap off the reservoir. Fill it up to where the max line is right here. Then you want to start the vehicle, let it run for about a minute, top off if you need to add any more coolant, then put the cap on. Run the vehicle for about 15 minutes, monitoring it, making sure the engine's not overheating. Have the heat on low and make sure you feel heat coming out. Once the engine's up to operating temperature, shut the vehicle off, let it cool down, double check the fluid level, and adjust accordingly.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.